Our business is built on the satisfaction of others. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone. And that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.